Hi there. If you are like me who want to find the sound by the humming or by the music, suppose if you are in a restaurant or in a bus or train, wherever you are, and you want to find out what song is that you like and you are hearing. So you want to find out that I have found an app and I have tested it. Its name is SoundHound, and I can show you this is the app SoundHound, and I will just now play a music. I will show you in real time by playing a music so you can see how it finds the song. Look at this. Just click this icon in the app, listening. Look at this. So you can see the song name, My Gent. Okay, now I'm going to play this. This is the song. See? So this is the app you can use to find songs, and I tried by humming myself to actually I found this app by using the term like if I'm humming a song, I don't know what is the name of the song, so it should find. However, I was not successful, but at least I found something that is very useful. I hope you will like this, and you can install this app. I have shown you in the real time. You can find the link of this app in the description below. I have tested it myself. Obviously, I will try to find some song by humming myself, but at least this is something that I wanted to share so that it will be helpful for you. So enjoy that and take care of yourself. Bye.